Today we're going to work on a pump house. Hopefully get the slab for the pump house done. We're looking at about a 6 foot by 6 foot slab. The well company came in, drilled the well. The other half of the well company came in and put the pump down in there and left us an extra piece of PVC on the ground to hook to the bottom. And we're going to come off that into the pump house. They recommended having 2 holding tanks. No, not holding tanks, pressure tanks. Because I guess the pumps nowadays aren't recommended to cycle on and off as much as they used to be. So if you want to save your pump, you put more than 1 pressure tank in so your pump doesn't turn on and off so much. That's the reason for the 6 foot by 6 foot pump house. That, and we can store tools in it like the shovels and rakes and stuff like that when we're not using them. We can just put them in the pump house. Easy enough. So let's get this thing going. We got to get all this dirt leveled out. We want to go about 4 feet away from the pump on this side of it, so if anything goes wrong, they can still access the well and the pump from the little driveway area. So with my limited skills of the backhoe, I got some of this stuff leveled out here. Leveled out and packed down. Get a good start on where we want to put it. Left some of this dirt around here. We've got to fill in that hole later too, after we get this pipe going out there and the pump house built. The rest of this dirt will go back in that hole. I didn't want to take all the dirt away from here. We'd have to go somewhere else to get dirt to fill in the hole. But most of the gray, actually all of the gray, was stuff they dug out as they were digging that 450 foot hole for the well. So all the gray stuff is extra. And it seems to pack down pretty well, so I think it'll be okay if we leave a little bit of that mixed with the dirt and then form up the pump house concrete slab on top of that. Having the backhoe to pack it down works pretty good too. So we'll get this leveled out. Get a couple shovels and a couple rakes in here, get it going, get a form going, and I'm sure my kids and my cats will have fun watching. I'll put this down here.
144
inches. What's that? 12? That's 12 foot. It's just half inch, right? You pull it out here, you got 1 inch right there. So 12 foot, 1 inch right there, 12 foot, half inch.
So I'll give you a kiss. Come here. Kenny. Let me do it.
Just add water. It's like pancake mix.
Whoa. It looks like it's steaming, but it's actually not.
So if you want to start this corner, Sonny, you start at that corner, Cece. This is going to bring some of the water to the top, and this is already kind of watery. Okay? So you're going to take and you're just going to smooth it. Now, Cece, keep that edge up. And keep the edge up coming back. When you get onto your 2x4 there, sometimes there'll be some concrete on the 2x4. Just scrape that off. Okay? Get it off the top of the 2x4 so you can go over the 2x4 and make it smooth.
Where?
Just right up there. Put your hand in, kind of sink it down. Is it sunk down in there, Cece?
Okay. Mine in there.
All right. Yours is deep. All right, pick your hand up.
Hey, Whiskers.
Pick your hand up, Cece.
Whiskers wants a friend.
All right. So here it is. Next morning. Pop the forms off the outside. Looks pretty good, pretty smooth. We had full intention of putting some no-climb fence inside the concrete to make it a little more structurally sound, I guess you'd say. But in all the mix of trying to get it done, it got left over there in the leaves until it was already poured. We tried to stuff it in afterwards and it just wasn't working. So it's only a 6 foot by 6 foot square that the cats are thoroughly enjoying right now because it's probably nice and cool. I don't think it's going to crack. I think it'll be just fine. So we're going to get some sides put up, a little roof, get it all kind of stick built, and finish it up. So if you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and smash that like button to help this channel get out there and get seen. If you want to see something more on our homestead, leave a comment. Let us know what you want to see. Until next time, guys, go make something.